Hey, what's up, Norma? It's great talking to you. This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for watching this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. You're probably wondering why I'm making these videos, and there's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands and going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve, and you want me to help you out with this? Give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content's everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So that'd be stuff as like cleaning services in Austin, stuff like that. Now, Google wants your website to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on that front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So take a look at your business. So I see you don't have a website, which is totally fine to start. Angie's List still allows you to grab, business, grab customers. They're just kind of expensive, which is why I started doing this for homeowners or for business owners, because you can do what they're doing, but a lot cheaper. And I'll show you what your other competitors are doing. That's exactly that. So you have austins.maidservice.com and you have maidsandmoore.com. Austin's Maid Service doesn't have 1,500 words on their page. They probably have about 500 to 600. So 1,500 is going to blow them out of the water. And Maids and Moore has even less, maybe like 300 to 400. So if you put your website up and you have 1,500 words on that front page, you're going to dominate them. And another quick tip is whatever your images are saved as does count as content. So like you'd want to have your images saved as things as like cleaning services in Austin, Austin Cleaning Company, Austin Maid, stuff like that. They're not doing that, but you want to make sure you do that yourself. So that's my first tip, Norma. My next tip is going to be backlinks. When Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Excuse me. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So you have Austin's Maid Service and you have maidsandmoore.com. Now, Austin Maid Service only has 106 websites linking to them, and Maids and Moore has 386 websites linking to them. And you can add about 10 websites a day, so you can easily beat these guys in about 2 weeks and beat these guys in about a month and a half. And the best way to do that is just go figure out what links they're getting and go get them for yourself. And I would take the ones that are like really good and leave the worst ones behind to give yourself a nice profile. So like house cleaning, that's a good .com, housecleaning.com, cleaningcompany.com, cleaning company, maid service. Those all look like really good websites I would go grab. Here's the reason why too. This guy has 1,100 traffic. This guy has 937 traffic. So if you had a website up with only 120, 130 websites linking to you, you would beat these guys. And you could do it in a couple weeks, and that's a lot of traffic to have per month. So that's my second tip. My third tip is citations. When somebody types in cleaning services Austin and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning company that shows up that seems trustworthy. You obviously want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. And many people skip these ads because of bad experiences. But there's also a large group of people with ad blockers who never see it. So the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, BBB. There's a bunch of them out there. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. I have like 500 to choose from. Your top guys probably have like 100 to 120, so you can either add the full 500, you could add just 300, but the main key is you want to dominate them, okay? So that's all I've got for you, Norma. I hope you found this really informative. Again, what I went over today was content. You're going to want to get a website up with about 1,500 to 2,000 words on that front page. Backlinks, you're going to want to figure out what backlinks your competitors have. Go list those, or add those same backlinks to your site. If it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you. And then last thing, you could do this without a website. Just make a Google My Business page, get a bunch of citations, figure out which directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. Norma, if you want to do this all yourself, like I said, this is free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. All I ask you is send me back a word or like a sentence or two of feedback for me to let me know how I did and what you thought about the video. If you want me to help you get this stuff taken care of, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this, Norma. I hope you have a great day. Bye.